Analytics and predictive modeling. Automation accelerates the analytics process, allowing businesses to derive insights faster. It facilitates the implementation of predictive modeling, enabling organizations to forecast trends and make proactive decisions. Scalability and resource management. Big data automation adapts to changing workloads by dynamically allocating resources. This scalability ensures optimal performance during peak times and cost-effectiveness during periods of lower demand. Security and compliance. Automated tools enforce security protocols, safeguarding sensitive data. Moreover, they assist in compliance adherence by automating tasks related to data governance and regulatory requirements. Decision support systems. Automation aids in the creation of decision support systems that provide real-time insights. This empowers decision-makers with accurate information for strategic planning and quick response.